Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudy ML. So today in this video we will discuss that how Facebook uses artificial intelligence and machine learning. You know that while you scroll down Facebook or while you use Instagram, there are various ads that are shown to you based on what you search on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram, anything, whatever you search on, based on that, there are recommended ads that are shown to you. So in this video, we will look at how Facebook uses this technique to do the target adding on customers. Now we have two persons. Now this is a college where there are many students. We are taking the example of two students. A person who is wearing the red t-shirt, he comes and asks, "Hey Mudit, how are you?" Now Mudit, who is this guy, he is highly depressed because everyone around him is coding. He says to him that I feel highly depressed because everyone around me is coding or learning to code. What should I do? Now his friend is very helpful and he gives him a suggestion that I don't know much about coding because he is also not into coding, but I think you should search the internet and find the best course for you. Now Mudit says him that that's a great idea. Let's search it then. Now Mudit comes on the net and searches for various courses related to maybe artificial intelligence or maybe related to data science or data analysis or web developing, anything. Mudit goes on the internet and finds the best course for him. Luckily, he gets the best course. Now, in the process of searching for the best course, he has transferred many data to the internet. Now, what are this data? This data is that Mudit is trying to search some good courses from where he can learn coding, and after his college, yeah, or during his college, he can get a nice package. So in this process, Mudit has transferred many quantity of data to the internet that can provide insights to the particular person who is managing this data. Now, what happens next? What Facebook does or what Google does, that Google has created many filters. You can think that one filter is web development filter, one filter is data analyst filter, third filter is data science filter, and fourth filter is digital marketing filter. Now, this is just an example how Facebook or Instagram or Google uses target advertisement. Now, when Mudit goes on the internet and searches for web development courses, what Facebook does is Facebook puts him into the category of web development. Now, there will be many people around the globe who are searching for web development course. Now, all the people will be put into this bucket by Facebook. Now, Facebook has a very good pipeline through which it transforms this data into a structured data. Now, similarly, there are many people who will be in data analyst bucket, similarly data science bucket, and similarly digital marketing bucket. Now, what happens next is when any company comes to Instagram or Facebook and asks him that we have a web development course. Hello, Mr. Peter. We wanted to put an advertisement of web development course on Facebook. Now he is the handling who is handling the Facebook advertisement. Now this is the company person who is selling web development courses, comes to Facebook and asks him, we wanted to put an advertisement of web development course on Facebook. Now what he says, Mr. Peter, what he says, no worries, we already have a potential customers who are more likely to buy your course and build their career in web development. Now, when this person puts the ad on his website, now this person will, who is Facebook, he will show these ads only to those customers who are falling into the category of web development. In this category, whichever person are falling, Mr. Peter will only show web development courses ad to those people only. Similarly, if any company who is in digital marketing approaches Facebook that we want to sell our digital marketing courses. Now, what Facebook will do? Facebook will only target those customers who are searching for digital marketing on Facebook, maybe, or Instagram. Or Google can also show this ad. This is just a pipeline, just a system that how target advertisement is done. Now, what happens? Let's look at the process. What happens? Now, first consumer, who is the person here, Mudit, who is, consumer browsing internet. Now he is browsing through the internet and finding the courses. In the process, what he does is he transfers data to the company, maybe Facebook or maybe Google or maybe Instagram, anything, any company it can be, where maybe basically it is wherever he goes and searches for the product. Now what happens next is publisher sends dimension of ad space to SSP. Now what is the full form of SSP? SSP is supply side product, supply side platform. Now what does publisher sends dimension of ad space to the SSP, supply side platform. Now what is the supply side platform? Supply side platform is the advertisement company who is selling the courses. And who is the publisher? Publisher is Facebook. He sends him that dimensions of ad space, that this is a particular dimension where we can put your ad. So the company who is selling the courses will be putting the ad on the provided space that the publisher provides him. Now SSP reads the cookies in order to serve the most relevant ad. Now what is SSP? SSP is the one who is selling the courses. He reads the dimensions which are provided by Facebook to him and puts the ad there, which can be like active to the customer. Like looking at the ad, the person comes and clicks on the ad. Now what happens next is DSP values impression and submits a bid. Now what is DSP? Demand side platform. Now what happens is DSP values impression and submits a bid. Now what is DSP here? DSP here is the Facebook. Now what is this? He values the impression, like what is the quality of the ad, whether it is genuine or not. And then Facebook, what he does to the company who is selling the courses, provides him with the bid that this much is the amount that you will be available. Like, Nilami jaise hoti hai, bid, वैसे ही Facebook, he creates that, and whichever company are paying him more according to the bid, that particular ads is given to him, whichever company pays him. Now SSP, who is the supply side, who are the companies, picks up the winning bid. Whichever company won the winning bid and picks up the winning bid, that particular ad space, that particular dimensions of the ad space is provided to the company, whoever wins the bid. Now then what happens is ad is served to the customer. Now next time when you go on the Facebook or Instagram and search for it, or you don't search for it also, in the ad space that particular ad will be shown to you. Now this process looks very complex, but this all happens in the matter of millions, because in the world we are living in, every day there are millions of data being generated. So it is very difficult to store the data and draw insights from it. But Facebook had made this process very simple and convenient. So all of this happens in the matter of milliseconds. Now, as I told you that these are the people who are falling into the category of web development, Facebook will show the advertisement to these particular customer on the process which I have said you earlier. Now what happens is, why did Facebook show ad to selected customers only and why not to all the customers? Like when you go on the Facebook or Instagram, in the ad space, you might be seeing some different ad and I might be seeing some different ad. Based on your browsing history, you will be seeing the ads, and me, based on my browsing history, I will be seeing my ads. So now why Facebook does this is because targeted ads feels less in your face than traditional ad. So instead of showing to everyone, only those particular customers who are searching for it or who are interested in it, only to them they will show the ads, and they are more often personalized based on the user's specific interest. Next point is, knowing your customers will help you target customers who are willing to pay for your product and service. Now you already know those customers searching for your product or who are searching for similar product like that. So to them, selling the product will be more easy, and the probability of the product to be sold will be more in that case. So suppose you go on the internet and you are trying to search for a shampoo. Maybe let's take a shampoo. You are searching for a shampoo, and in my case I am searching for a toothbrush maybe. So what Facebook or Google or Instagram does is, to me, I might be seeing some ads similar to toothbrush. It may be a similar toothbrush or it may be an electric toothbrush. But in your case, you are searching for a shampoo. So you will not be seeing the ad of toothbrush. You will be seeing the ad of shampoo only. Maybe a sachet shampoo, or maybe a big bottle shampoo, or anything it can be. So Facebook uses this particular uh, process, that is the target ad customers, in order to make the probability of the product to be sold more. So thank you. This is all about the video. I hope you all understood how Facebook or Instagram uses the method of adding the customers.